Tonight in Medical Rounds, we're talking about radiation safety, something all of us would like to learn more about. And tonight we are joined by Bet Blankenship. She is a medical physicist and safety officer at Hartford Healthcare. Good evening, Bet. Thank you for being with us tonight.
Thank you. Good evening.
Well, first, tell us about your role as a radiation safety officer at Hartford Healthcare.
Well, Hartford Healthcare is very much committed to keeping patients, staff, and physicians safe. And in my world, that means keeping them radiation safe.
So you would monitor equipment and that kind of thing to make sure
Absolutely.
the levels are healthy or acceptable.
And that is correct.
And when it comes to radiation exposure, Bet, what should patients know or be aware of? We all have a little bit of, oh, I've got to have an X-ray. We know about the lead aprons, but what can you tell us about reassuring us in terms of the radiation?
You know, as a patient, when I'm a patient, I would want to ask, do you have a qualified medical physicist that works in your facility, that cares for your equipment and keeps track of low-dose procedures, and assure myself that that is what that facility has to keep me safe.
That's a good thing to know. And I understand you were recently invited to speak on Capitol Hill. Can you tell us about that?
I sure can. I was asked to be part of a work group, a task group called the Sealed Source Work Group, and we're going to Congress to really talk about radionuclides or radiation medicine that we use for therapies and treatments and for imaging, and most importantly to talk about new nuclides coming forward for new therapies. Our request was that they would keep funding open, that they would keep the pipeline open for these very important radionuclides coming our way. We've started several new treatments, and it's really important for our patients, so it was exciting to be able to talk to them about the new things coming up.
That's fantastic. It seems to be that our X-ray today is not our mother's X-ray or what they had many years ago. We've made a lot of progress. And before we go, I just want to say congratulations to you that you were recognized with a prestigious honor from the American Association of Physicists in Medicine as an elected fellow of the association. That's a wonderful honor for you.
Thank you so much.
And we thank you.